Start.
Hi guys, my name is Nishita and welcome to Nishita Videos. Today I'm going to show you surprise hearts and some new things too. So let's get started. I'm really excited. I will tell a magic word from which it comes. I wish that something would come.
Yes.
I wish something would come. I wish something would come. What is this? I didn't ask for this. I think I told the wrong spell to say something. Wait, this is something dumb. Let's start again. I wish that there would be a surprise heart and some sharpness with pizza table. I wish that surprise heart and a pizza thing. Yes, what is this? Pizza tables which you keep. Pizza? These are the pizza tables. Pizza. Is my razor? Oh wow, these looks cool. Ooh, thick. Ooh, great. Pink. Give me start kar diya lo apna bas. Whoa. This opens like this. It pokes a lot. So now put this in back. Let's see the next one. That's my surprise heart. So I'll open. Mommy, give me. Wait. Did you open? Give me. Open. Yeah. I open this. Let's see. This is difficult. But I'm sorry. It's 2 minutes I have to. This has finally. Whoa, this is. What do I think will be there? This is bad. FB Barbies. And this is something more interesting. What is this? And a magnet, fridge magnet with a wheel and a sticker. Great, let me open this and see. I think something is there. Yeah. Once again, so now I'm going to cut this. I think this has opened. I have to cut it. So it got opened. Oh my gosh, there are biscuits in this. Yummy. See? Oh, fun. This seems to be. There is no script, instruction given for this. Is it? I'm wondering what would do this. This has to be a bit more cold. Where did it go? This is a fun game. This is like this. And this is a magnet I showed you. Now I'm thinking, where shall we keep this sticker? Is this seriously a sticker? It doesn't seem to. I don't know. But where am I supposed to stick this? Is it over here? Yeah. Or it's over here? I think this will be for sure stick to this. I'm sure.
No,
Yeah.
then
This is the sticker of this. When I see many stickers, we have to put it in the heart thing. So it's for here. Okay. Now I think I have to place this a bit more up. Perfect. Yes. So I got a band. It's written Always Dream FAB. What is it? Fabulous. Yes. Barbie always dreamed fabulous. That means. Okay. For thank you to watch my video. If you like this video, please like and give comments. How did you like? And can you please get over there?
start.
Thank you to watch my videos and put the like button till 1 lakh likes. I would like that. And give comments how is it. And press the bell icon and subscribe button.